shirts go when I'm out. Blackness. Man, we got a lot of plans, but we ain't got a lot of money, man. And we love support. We just love support. This next song is called Demon Child. It's the last single we released. And it's about me. And it's about you. It's about Demon Child. Well, I think you're a demon. Your heart is darker than mine. Yeah, I think you're a demon child. The way you talk about my mind. I don't think that I'm right here. Oh, to loosen these claws. Yeah, I need me some leverage. Oh, to loosen these bonds. Well, one of these days I will stay loving you right for me. And when I'm alone in a dark and empty home, I'll be wondering if you think you never leave. 'Cause that's who I am. I'm a small little man. Yep, I'm a bastard. And it's all on me. Now, darling, don't you take me back. I really don't like to be free. I met her strolling on the streets like she owns the place. Cold-hearted, she's a demon with a baby face. A pretty girl, I ain't gonna lie, but the woman's like a storm in the sky. Yeah, no place to run and no place to hide. She gonna get you if she made up her mind. When she knows me good, that I'ma take flight. The woman gonna eat me alive. One of these days, I will escape, loving you the same for me. And when I'm alone in a dark and empty home, I'll be wondering if you think you do. 'Cause that's who I am. Yeah, I'm a spoiled little man. Yep, I'm a bastard, and it's all on me. Now, darling, won't you take me back? I really don't like to be free. I start doing crazy things. I start to drink it too much. Ooh, I do a little smoking up in here, and I start to go nuts. Oh, darling, won't you? Now, ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together. Now wait for it. We're good at the dunes on the underbench. So give it up one more time for Avi on Fire, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you. On the guitar is Nikki C. On the drums is Mr. Davey Andy Hancat, ladies and gentlemen. On the bass, geboren en getogen in Dordrecht, is Mr. Bill Scott Moulton, ladies and gentlemen. On the backing vocals, my one and only twin sister, Tess Gertrude. We're almost there, ladies and gentlemen. On the keys is Mr. Stan, the Angry Man. My name is Joel Gittin. We are the Howler. We're the Howler.